Do you want to speak English more confidently? Do you want to understand real English and sound more natural? Then welcome to Begin Learn English Stories. In this video, you will practice English using the shadowing technique. Listen carefully, pause the video, repeat each sentence out loud, copy the voice, the speed, and the emotion. Now, relax. And let's begin today's story. My name is Lena Parker. I am 26 years old and I live in a small apartment in Chicago. Every morning, my alarm rings at 6:30. I make coffee, sit by the window and watch the city wake up. People walking fast, cars honking, life moving forward. I work as a graphic designer in a marketing company. I like my job, but I don't love it. Most days feel the same. I used to dream of becoming an artist, painting, creating, feeling free. But dreams are expensive, and rent is not patient. 2 years ago, my mother passed away. After that, something inside me became quiet. Not broken, just quiet. She always said, "Lena, don't live on pause." But that's exactly what I was doing. One evening after work, I missed my bus. It was cold and I was tired, so I decided to walk. That's when I saw it, a small bookstore I had never noticed before. The light inside was warm, the windows were foggy. Something pulled me in. Inside, the air smelled like paper and coffee, old books, new stories. Behind the counter stood a man about my age, dark hair, calm eyes, soft smile. "Long day?" he asked. I nodded. "Yes, every day feels long lately." He smiled gently. "Books help with that." I laughed quietly. "I hope so." I started visiting the bookstore almost every day, sometimes to buy a book, sometimes just to sit. His name was Ethan. We talked about stories, life, fears, and small dreams. Nothing rushed, nothing forced. With him, silence felt comfortable. One night, as we were closing the store, he asked, "Why did you stop drawing?" The question hit me hard. "I didn't stop," I said slowly. "I just forgot how to start again." He nodded. "Then start small." That night, I opened my old sketchbook. The pages were empty and waiting. I drew for 10 minutes, then 20, then an hour. Something inside me woke up. Weeks passed, spring arrived, and so did change. One evening, Ethan gave me an envelope. "What's this?" I asked. "An art show," he said. "You should submit your work." I shook my head. "I'm not ready." He looked at me and said, "You don't become ready by waiting." I submitted 3 drawings. I didn't tell anyone. I didn't hope too much. Then one afternoon, I got an email. My hands shook as I read it. My work was accepted. That night, I cried, not from fear, from relief. At the art show, my drawings were on a white wall. People stopped, looked, smiled. Ethan stood beside me. "You did this," he whispered. "No," I said softly. I remembered who I was. We didn't fall in love loudly, no drama, no rush, just 2 people choosing each other. Slowly, honestly. Now every morning feels different, not perfect, but alive. And when I draw, I hear my mother's voice again. "Don't live on pause." Now it's your turn. Play this video again. Pause after each sentence. Repeat it like a shadow. Practice every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. Thank you for learning with Begin Learn English Stories. More stories are coming soon. See you next time.